Hi and welcome to student. In this session we are going to discuss about topic galvanization from unit 6 corrosion science. The learning outcomes from this session will be students should be able to define hot dipping, then students should be able to define galvanization. Students should be able to discuss the process of galvanization, and students should be able to discuss application and limitations of galvanization. Before going to the galvanization, let's see what is hot dipping. Hot dipping is a process of metallic coating in which the base metal is immersed, it is deep in the molten mass of a coating metal. That means the metal on which coating is desired, such metal will be called as a base metal, and this base metal is immersed into molten mass of a coating metal to obtain metallic coating, and this process of metallic coating is called as a hot dipping. In case of hot dipping, the coating metal should have low melting point than the base metal. The metal on which coating is desired is called as a base metal, and such base metal is to be immersed into the molten mass of coating metal for the hot dipping, and in this process the coating metal should have low melting point than the base metal. In case of hot dipping, generally zinc, tin, lead are used as a coating metal, while steel, iron, copper are used as a base metal. The molten bath of a coating metal is covered by the molten flux layer. Generally, zinc chloride is used as a flux, and this flux is used to clean the base metal and prevent the oxidation of molten coating metal. Here in the syllabus, two methods of hot dipping have been discussed. First is the galvanization and second is the tinning. Here we are going to discuss about galvanization. Coating the base metal with zinc using hot dipping process is called as a galvanization. So in case of galvanization, generally iron or steel is used as a base metal while zinc is used as a coating metal, and it is a anodic coating. So here let's discuss about the galvanization. In galvanization, the base metal, that means either iron or steel, is first pre-treated in order to have good kind of adhering coating and uniform coating. So this pre-treatment includes washing the base metal by using dilute acid. So first, base metal surface is cleaned by immersing this metal into dilute H2SO4 solution. After that, the base metal is washed by using water, and further it is dried by using hot air blower. After this, the galvanization process is carried out. So in case of galvanization, it consists of a iron sheet which will be a base metal. Then there is a bath of molten zinc which is maintained at 425 to 450 degrees Celsius, which is covered by ammonium chloride flux. This ammonium chloride flux will help to avoid the oxidation of this molten zinc. So here in galvanization, the iron sheet will pass through this molten zinc and it will have a coating of zinc on the iron sheet. After that, the zinc coated iron is passed through the pair of rollers and excess of zinc is removed here by using this pair of rollers. Then further, the zinc coated iron article is slowly cooled to have uniform zinc coating, and the process is called as a galvanization, and hence the article is called as a galvanized article. So again we will see the procedure. Base metal, that is steel or iron, is treated with dilute H2SO4. Then it is washed with water and dried by hot air so as to remove surface impurities. Further, metallic article, that is either iron or steel, is then dipped into molten mass of a zinc which is maintained at 425 to 450 degrees Celsius, because the zinc has melting point around 419 degrees Celsius. The molten mass of zinc is covered with the ammonium chloride flux so as to avoid oxidation of molten zinc. The coated article is then passed through pair of rollers to remove excess of zinc and have uniform coating. Further, the article is cooled slowly. Now we will see the applications of galvanization. Galvanization is generally done on iron or steel, and these galvanized articles are used for making roofing sheets, nuts, bolts, wires, pipes, bucket, tubes, nails. Disadvantages of galvanization. Galvanized article cannot be used to store the food because the zinc is having ability to form poisonous products by action of food, so it leads to the poisoning of food. Hence the galvanized articles cannot be used to store the food. So in summary, we have discussed about what is hot dipping, then what is galvanization, then process of galvanization, and applications and limitations of galvanization. Thank you for watching this session.